Today's family historian doesn't struggle with a lack of historical records. The real obstacle is the absolute flood of digital documents, files, and browser windows accumulating across our screens. You sit down to track a specific census record, but minor frustrations, like searching for a lost tab or digging through messy folders, derail your focus and completely halt your research, dropping you down a digital rabbit hole. To accurately preserve history, we have to stop acting like simple data collectors and start building a structured digital architecture. The ultimate goal of this structural shift is to evolve your process, giving you the workflows needed to become an AI-skilled genealogist. This framework shows the specific architectural blueprint needed to cure digital chaos, the Essential Genealogy 2.0 framework, which maps out 7 stages surrounding a central family tree motif. Overcoming the rabbit hole requires abandoning chaotic searching and replacing it with a highly intentional, step-by-step workflow design. This detail of the framework highlights Stage 1, the researcher, and Stage 2, the analyst. Reaching these foundational stages requires the absolute removal of basic digital friction from your computer workspace. The first modification is configuring your browser's startup page to automatically launch primary databases, like RootsTech and Ancestry, the second you open the application. The second modification utilizes tab groups in Google Chrome to neatly organize your tools, allowing you to create a dedicated color-coded AI toolkit group that stays out of your way until you need it. Next, you pin your most frequently used applications directly to your operating system's taskbar, giving you zero search access to your essential programs. Further foundational optimizations involve adjusting Microsoft Edge settings, specifically enabling vertical tabs for readability and turning on dark themes to reduce cognitive load and eye strain during long research sessions. By standardizing your browser environment with these adjustments, you turn your computer from a chaotic obstacle into an invisible, frictionless research foundation. This section of the wheel highlights the shift from basic data gathering to complex synthesis: Stage 3 Explorer, Stage 4 Storyteller, and Stage 5 Family Historian. To operate efficiently at these stages, the fourth modification enables a split-screen view directly in your browser, letting you display a historical record on one side and your digital notes on the other without switching tabs. You can implement an advanced split-screen workflow by running Prompt Cowboy and Notebook LM side by side. Notebook LM is an AI research assistant that organizes complex notes, while Prompt Cowboy is a tool for crafting precise commands to guide AI text generators. Using these AI tools in tandem allows you to actively generate engaging visual genealogy infographics and instantly save them into a centralized Google Doc workspace. The fifth workflow modification deploys the Gemini Pro sidebar, a built-in AI assistant, to generate instant summaries of dense virtual keynote presentations, saving you from taking copious manual notes. Integrating these specific AI tools directly into a split-screen workspace gives you the ability to process and synthesize vast historical narratives in a fraction of the time it traditionally takes. This framework shows the final 2 stages locking into place: Stage 6, the author, and Stage 7, the essential genealogist. Reaching these final stages transitions you from someone who merely organizes data into a legacy curator, fully equipped to preserve your family's history. To put this into practice, you can follow a comprehensive 30-day challenge, a 4-week practical vehicle designed to implement these exact 7 stages and help you build a fully backed-up digital archive. When you master and structure your digital tools, technology ceases to be a barrier and instead becomes the engine you use to confidently share your family saga across generations.